gotta stay out of my head. Stuck between my rights and my wrongs. Second guessing what I'm doing. Like, am I really there for my boy? Not enough, but if I'm paying child support, do they make it for time that I've lost? Whole time paying this court system. Can't even call my little man a game system, cause my checks be short. And if your bag too short, well, you had to miss a month. Slipping up, I gotta pick it up. Grind limitless, but it got your folks like, yeah, I hope you don't get caught. Like I missed them payments on purpose. Cause you see I fail and I'm hurting. Ain't had no job, so no working. Or the job I work is not.
Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified. Coming back with another informative video. I titled this video, Wasil Bay, aka XL West, is in fact still on child support part 2. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, guys, so now as you all can see on the screen, this is part 2, okay? This is an order that I want to show you all, okay? To further show and prove that the cat is still on child support and how much arrears he have. But for those who haven't watched part 1, pause the video, go back and watch part 1, okay? I put the link in the description box to the video part 1, so y'all can go back and watch it. But for those who did watch part 1, you all know that I did what? I put up the evidence with the wedding signature of his child's mom signing, saying that she was going to take him off of child support. I also put up what? The Attorney General, you know, when she logged into her account on the Attorney General showing evidence that she took him off of child support. Again, 2 witnesses, all right? And then I also showed y'all that they were still coming after him in 2019, okay? So this document, again, is from 2019, right? I'm just using this document to show you guys that they're still coming after him. He still have child support arrears and everything else. And he's still ducking and dodging service, thinking that that's going to stop them from coming after him. They're still coming after him to this day in 2020. And I'm going to show y'all that as well. Okay? Ain't no ducking these people, XL. You know? You got to man up sometime. You have to man up sometime. Stop running from these people. Go in there and do like you tell your clients to do. Go in there and talk to these judges and lawyers like you say like you tell your client to go in there and talk to them. Let's see how far that gets you. Obviously, it's not going to get you that far. That's why you never went back into these courts. Because you chicken. Alright? You scared. You scared, man. They got you petrified and terrified. You hiding in your basement. You know? Hiding in your basement in the house. Why? Because you petrified. Running from these people, man. Man up. Let's show us. Show us that you know what you're talking about, man. Go in these courts, man. Show us that you that man. Show us you that deal, man. Show us that you can do what you're telling your client to do. Yeah, exactly. You won't. Why? Because you know you can't. That's why nobody took me up on my offer, because these brothers know they can't do what I say I can do. I'm the only one that can show and prove. These other clowns out here hating, and because they hating, I'm going to continue to expose them for the frauds that they are, man. You know? I told them, keep my name out y'all mouth, continue to make y'all a little money on YouTube while you still could. But now, if everybody know that you can't help them, they don't have no reason to come to you. And it's just that simple. How can you help them if you can't help yourself? If you still got child support chasing after you and you still run from child support, how can you help somebody else get off of child support? XL West, a.k.a. Wasil Bay. How? Please explain that to the people, man. But let's continue. Let's read the document. As we all can see, this document was what? March the 27th, 2019. Last year, right? I'm only showing this document for one purpose and one purpose only. Right? This was what? This was a motion for enforcement of child support order back in 2019. Okay, if you want, y'all can pause it and read it. Let's go to determination of disclosure of address. No, matter of fact, let's go to prior child support order. Let's read this. On 9/13/2016, the court ordered XL West to pay child support of $179 monthly beginning 7/1/2016. And monthly thereafter. The amount and frequencies of XL West III child support obligations remain unchanged. So, even in this 2019 document, they said what? His child support obligations remain unchanged. So, he still has an obligation to what? To support the child. So, they're still what? Enforcing the order. But let's continue. Even after his child's mom took him off. Let's continue though. Child support arrears. As you all can see, XL West failed to pay court order child support as follows. So it say A, prior child support arrears as of 6/29/2016 is what? $2,508.69. B. Child support accrued since 6/29/2016, $5,907. Interest accrued since 6/29/2016, $817.53. Child support paid since 6/29/2016, zero. He haven't paid. He been ducking and dodging ever since 2016. But that's just, if you go back on YouTube, you'll see that's the time that he made his channel. Okay? Telling people that he can help y'all get off of child support and he this, that, and the other. Come to find out, he been running ever since. Let's continue. E. Total child support arrears as of 3/26/2019, $9,232.22. Okay? He's taking the same method, or he's doing the same thing that the other guy did, the fraud of law. They all running. They running. That's why he changed his name from Excel West to Wasil Bay. They all running. These guys ain't stood up to nobody. They ain't fighting nobody. They running. And it's just that simple, guys. And it's just that simple. Contempt hearing and everything. You see? Judgment on the arrears and everything. Let's continue. Let's continue. Attorney fees, prayers. Let's continue, guys. Like I said, receipts after receipts after receipts, man. What that say right here? This is the monthly payments amounts that and how they calculated to get what they had. Look at all that. Since, hold on, it started since 6/29/2016 till 1/31/2018, and this one pick up at 2/1/2018 all the way to 3/1/2019. Okay, so again, he owes $9,233.22. That's why these cats won't do like I did. Call down to the agency, see how much you owe, see if there's an open case, see if you owe support. Like I did. I went there, called there. Y'all heard it. No arrears, no open case, no collection, none of that. These cats can't do it. Why? Because they're still on. And it's just that simple, but they want to hate on me. Nah, you can't hate on me, man. You cannot hate on me. Like I said, you can't help nobody until you help yourself. But now let's go to 2020 to see if they still coming at them and chasing them down. Let's go there. Okay, so now as you all can see on the screen, this document was filed when? March the 5th, 2020. This month, this year. These people are still on his heels this month, this year, guys. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different. When I tell you, man, these cats still on child support and they haven't done a thing in these courts, or they haven't done anything to the agency because they don't know what they're doing, this is why they did not take me up on my offer. Only thing they had to do is do what, guys? Say, when I put that offer out there, I said, look, man, everybody take one client for free, and then let's do this for the people. Let's see whose services really work. Let's show and prove. But instead of doing that, they want to do what? Throw dish shots at me and everything else. Instead of just taking me up on my offer. But the reason why they couldn't take me up on my offer, because they know that I know the truth. That's why I made that offer. Because I knew they weren't going to take me up on my offer. Because I know that they knew that their clients ain't going to win. Because none of their clients never win. And it's just that simple, man. And it's just that simple. Sad but true, guys. So you have people out here coming on YouTube, making YouTube channels, telling you all that they can help you all get off the support, trying to make it seem as though they went in there and fought. When it comes down to it, when the truth comes to light, these guys is running, changing their names, hiding in their mom's basement, haven't came outside in years, but they on YouTube, you know, making videos claiming that they can help you out. No. Excel West took the same taking the same route as his mentor Osiris. Why? Because Osiris channel, or his website is called Deception Stoppers, right? Excel West web page was titled Sham Stoppers. Both of these guys, one is the deception and the other one is a sham. And it's just that simple, man. Just that simple. Let's see when the court date was this month and he didn't show up. The 10th day of March, 2020. The guy is ducking services, running and everything else, thinking it's going to stop them arrears from accruing. So now, if your arrears was at 9,000 and something, I'm pretty sure your arrears now at 13,000, 14,000 by now. It's just piling up and piling up and piling up. Why? Until you face these people head on. When would you learn that? You know, what y'all guys is doing, y'all acting like y'all teaching people, but y'all come to my channel trying to learn what to do and then go out there and try to reteach it and then tell your people that, oh, this how you do this, this how you do that. But none of y'all have any evidence or proof of anything that y'all saying. Like I said, how can he help you all if they can't help themselves. They still on the same thing they're trying to tell you all to get free from. Man, get yourself off first and then come on YouTube and try to help people. But until then, man, people know the truth now. Like I told you, brother. I was going to let you live a little bit on YouTube. You didn't want to listen. When your subscribers went down and people started watching your channel from the last time, I let up off you. I could have dropped all this stuff the last time. But nope. I said I'm going to give him a little bit of time before I start dropping and showing people that he's really on child support. So now everyone see, you're still on child support and you can't do nothing about it. Okay? So again, guys, shout out to all my subscribers that watch, those that thumbs up and, just showing me love, man. I really appreciate y'all. Like I said, I'm doing this for y'all so y'all will know the truth out here. Ain't no other channel going to do this. Ain't no other channel going to put their stuff on the line for you guys but me. I'm the only channel that done it, and I'm going to be the only channel that continue to do it, man. Like I said, I don't fear no man out here. No man ain't going to do nothing to me, and I know that for a fact. And it's just that simple, man. All right, like I told y'all, if the Most High is for you, then who can be against you? How else can I expose these cats? Because the Most High is for me. He opened my eyes. He gave me the sight to see. He gave me things that I can know that I can use against people. It's all him, not me. Why else do you think they getting their birds like this? None of this is done by me. It's all done by him. He the one provide me with this information, this knowledge, and this and these tools I can use. You see, guys? So, like I said, man, if they can't help themselves, there's no way they can help you. So again, if you was a sham stoppers client or if you were a deception stoppers client, if they can't show proof and they can't help themselves, then how can they help you? They never show evidence of them getting off, let alone trying to get you off. And it's just that simple, man. It's just that simple. Like I said, I gave them the challenge. They didn't accept it. I told them to call the agency. Let's see if you off or see if you're not. They didn't do it. None of them, like I said, because they know that I'm calling them out for the reasons that I know why they're still on, and it's just more evidence that they are. All right, so Excel West, tighten up, buddy. It's a wrap for you. So, again, that's all I'm going to do for today. If you all need my help, hit me up in my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's get this remedy, guys. Let's get this right wisdom, this right knowledge, this right understanding. So, again, shalom.